Did you know there's a potent and powerful health champion right in your kitchen? It's not your fancy gadgets or expensive superfoods, no, it's something much simpler and incredibly accessible. This unassuming champion just might be, wait for it, a clove of garlic. Yes, your very own garlic is a total standout in the health world. Surprised? Don't believe me? Stick around because in this video, I'm going to unveil 6 astonishingly powerful health benefits of garlic that will revolutionize your perception of this humble kitchen staple. You might be wondering, is garlic really that good for you? My answer, absolutely. Garlic is a tiny powerhouse packed with health benefits. But before diving into those details, let's address something we all notice about garlic, its distinctive pungent smell. The aroma that fills the air when you slice open a garlic clove or sauté it in a pan comes from an organic sulfur compound called allicin. Allicin is the star player here, and it's the reason why garlic is so brimming with health-promoting properties. So, the next time you're cooking and that strong scent of fresh garlic hits you, remember, that's allicin at work. It's not just a culinary aroma, it's the fragrance of health and well-being. Now that you're aware of what makes garlic a health rock star, let's delve into the 6 remarkably powerful health benefits it offers. 1. Boosts immunity. Let's dive into the first health benefit of garlic, immunity boosting. What if I told you that something as simple as eating more garlic could turbocharge your immunity? Sounds too good to be true. Well, hold on to your chef's hat because science backs this up. A fascinating study involving over 41,000 women aged 55 to 69 revealed some eye-opening results. These women had one thing in common, they routinely included garlic along with fruits and vegetables in their diet. And what did they find? Those who consistently ate garlic, fruits, and vegetables had a staggering 35% lower risk of colon cancer. Can you believe that? Just by incorporating more garlic into your diet, you could potentially reduce your colon cancer risk by over a third. Garlic isn't just a flavor enhancer for your favorite dishes, it's also a powerful booster for your immunity, actively fighting against dangerous diseases. This super ingredient might just be the simplest and tastiest way to keep your immune system strong. 2. Works as an anti-inflammatory. Moving on to our second health benefit, did you know garlic is an anti-inflammatory powerhouse? That's right, it's not just an ordinary spice, it's a natural soother for those achy joints and muscles. Research has highlighted another superpower of garlic, particularly garlic oil. It's been found to be incredibly effective as an anti-inflammatory agent. Imagine having a long day with sore muscles and throbbing joints. What should you reach for? Garlic oil. Just a little rub can go a long way in soothing inflamed joints or muscles. It's like your very own all-natural pain relief solution. And it's not just me praising garlic oil, the Arthritis Foundation, a trusted authority in joint health, recommends using it. They believe it can help prevent cartilage damage caused by arthritis. So, this humble clove isn't just a star in your kitchen, it's also an MVP in your medicine cabinet. It's like having a mini fragrance spa right in your pantry, ready to soothe your aches and pains. 3. Improves heart health. Third on our list, but certainly not any less incredible, is how garlic can give your heart health a significant boost. Yes, our little garlic friend is a heart's best ally. How, you ask? Recent research has uncovered some exciting findings showing that garlic can have a remarkably positive impact on your arteries and blood pressure. Imagine that, something as simple as garlic helping to keep the most important muscle in your body in prime condition. Scientists believe that when our red blood cells interact with the sulfur in garlic, they create hydrogen sulfide gas. Now, don't let the gas part alarm you, this is actually fantastic news. Hydrogen sulfide gas has the power to expand our blood vessels, and when your blood vessels are more relaxed, your body can regulate blood pressure more efficiently. That, my friends, is excellent news for heart health. Now, before you rush to put away your blood pressure medications, I must add a word of caution, always consult your doctor before making any changes to your medication regimen. 4. Clears up skin. Here's a surprise for you, garlic isn't just a star in the kitchen or the doctor's office, it's also a secret weapon in your beauty regimen. Yes, you heard that right, garlic can help clear up your skin. Thanks to its potent antibacterial properties and rich load of antioxidants, garlic can effectively combat acne-causing bacteria. A simple clove of garlic might be the answer to your pesky pimple problems. In fact, one study suggests that rubbing raw garlic over pimples could help clear them away. Imagine that, a natural, simple solution to stubborn skin breakouts. However, a word of caution, garlic can cause a burning sensation on your skin due to its potent compounds. So, before you start applying garlic to your face, it's wise to consult your dermatologist. 5. Protects your food. Up next, this is really interesting. Among garlic's hidden powers is its ability to combat harmful bacteria that cause food poisoning, such as the infamous offenders Salmonella and E. coli. Picture garlic as a miniature microbial superhero, swooping in and vanquishing these villainous organisms with its unique chemical composition that acts as a death sentence for these bacteria. But let's be clear, this doesn't mean a few cloves can replace proper food sanitation and safe handling practices. While garlic's antibacterial prowess is impressive, it's not a substitute for maintaining good food hygiene. 6. Treats athlete's foot. Garlic doesn't just fight bacteria, it's also a formidable adversary against fungi. If you've ever dealt with the itchiness and discomfort of athlete's foot, garlic might be your new best friend. The solution? Simply soak your feet in garlic water or, if you're feeling brave, rub raw garlic directly onto your feet. Garlic's antifungal properties work to attack the fungus causing that dreaded itch. Imagine that, a simple home remedy for a common, irritating problem, all thanks to our powerful little friend, garlic. Who knew this tiny bulb could offer such a wide range of benefits? Just remember, as with any treatment, if your condition doesn't improve or worsens, consult a healthcare professional. Garlic is amazing, but it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Now, a question that's on many of your minds, is it better to eat raw or cooked garlic to maximize these benefits? Well, the relationship between garlic and its health benefits can be a bit complex. For example, the study I mentioned earlier linking garlic to improved immunity showed benefits from both raw and cooked garlic, but interestingly, supplements didn't have the same effect. When you heat garlic or mix it into a recipe, it can alter its pH balance, affecting the enzymes from allicin, the magical compound we've been raving about. These enzymes need a few minutes to activate, so after you mince, crush, or chop your garlic, let it sit for a bit. Think of it as giving garlic a little breather before it starts its health-boosting magic. Nutrition experts believe that raw garlic offers the most benefits. However, if you do decide to cook it, avoid heating it above 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 degrees Celsius, as higher temperatures can destroy the allicin, effectively benching our MVP. To get the most out of your garlic, add it towards the end of your cooking. Whether you enjoy garlic raw or slightly heated, it's a win for your health. From boosting immunity to protecting your food, from treating athlete's foot to improving heart health, garlic is truly a superfood. But hey, we want to hear from you. Do you have a go-to garlic recipe that lets you harness these amazing benefits? Have you had personal experiences with garlic's health-boosting powers? Share your stories with us. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.